Hello everyone, we're Project GDCM, and we're going to show you our presentation today. So a little background about us, I'm Kevin, I'm doing EECS at Berkeley, and this is KP.
I'm a product manager currently, and in the past I have done my master's at CMU and also worked at NetEase.
Basically the problem that we have is we knew that compiling and programming phones and tablets are pretty tedious, especially during game development. So that's kind of the reason why nobody actually codes on a mobile device. Do you have any other problem?
Yeah, and this problem is further exacerbated in low-income neighborhoods and in emerging economies, wherein a lot of the students that they don't have a laptop, but they have mobile devices on which they can develop games and such.
So the solution is, being at Samsung, we leveraged the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yeah, there you go. So we created a framework called GDMC, and we ran it on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we use Godot, which is essentially allows developers to have their own gaming platform to run code on. We leverage ChainML's council to create new agents and allow game developers to create new enemies in games, new terrains, and just accelerate how they can create different games. And we finally fine-tuned all our models to accelerate the coding efficiency, especially on mobile phones, given the limited hardware architecture. So
now empower game development on the mobile using this AI Copilot, and all of this is running on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, wherein now I will go ahead and try to generate some code here. So let's say I am trying to make this enemy bigger. Okay, so now we have the
Copilot, explain that.
Yeah, a Copilot works by integrating all of this in the Godot system itself. So as we can see here, there is a line, and we can give it like a inference step, and using the Alt-C shortkey which we have defined, the Copilot will generate the code for us. And this is very effective, especially when we are developing the code on a mobile device.
Yeah, just fine, but the Copilot does work on mobile and desktop as well. So as you can see here, it is on the phone live and running on the Galaxy Note or Galaxy S23. Leverage ChainML's council to do for the gameplay aspect, and for developing part. We did 4.0 in the beginning, and we want to translate into Code Llama for a little better fine-tuning later on. And so our main objective was just to find a large data set, and that allowed us to just get a better result and better performance out of like a system.
Challenge is that many of these code LLMs have been trained on popular languages such as Python and JavaScript, while for game development and especially for GDScript, there is a lack of such data sets, and that's where our distinction comes in, wherein we have trained it on these data sets and help to empower all these mobile game developers.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go a little bit more of the slide about the architecture, which was basically just a data set going through our model, which is Code Llama or GPT-4, and then within a larger data set, we just get a filter of better games. And I referenced the paper that I read about getting a partition just for better games, and you can check that out later if you want.
Next steps, what we would like to do is we would want to improve this UI so as to make it even more intuitive on the mobile device. Secondly, since we talked about some of these students, they would want to have a code reasoning capability as well, especially as they are becoming new game developers. And finally, we could also generate some levels, especially for these platformer games using LLMs, and that would be really awesome.
So yeah, thank you for listening to us today.
Thank you.